GoDaddy Website Builder automatically creates backups called version snapshots whenever you make significant changes to your website. These backups are your safety net, protecting all your hard work. These snapshots capture everything important about your website, all your content, images, design elements, and navigation structure. Nothing gets left behind when GoDaddy creates a backup. GoDaddy creates 4 different types of backups. Autosaves happen while you're editing. Published versions are created when changes go live. You can create manual snapshots anytime, and scheduled backups run automatically at regular intervals. GoDaddy keeps your backups for different lengths of time depending on your plan. Most paid plans retain backups for up to 30 days, giving you plenty of time to recover from any issues. However, free plans typically only keep backups for 7 days, so act quickly if you need to restore. Understanding that these backups exist and how they work is your first step toward confidently managing your website. With automatic snapshots protecting your work, you can make changes knowing you always have a way back to a previous version. To restore your GoDaddy Website Builder site, start by accessing your GoDaddy account dashboard. Log into your account and look for the main navigation area. Next, navigate to the Website Builder section. This is typically found in your main dashboard or under the Websites menu. Look for your specific website project. Once you're in your website builder, look for the Versions or Backup option. This is usually found in the Settings menu or main toolbar of your website editor. You'll see a list of available restoration points with dates and times. These represent different versions of your website. Choose the version you want to restore to by clicking on it. Before confirming the restoration, preview the changes to ensure it's the correct version. This step is crucial to avoid restoring the wrong backup and losing recent work. Once you're satisfied with the preview, execute the restoration. The process typically takes a few minutes. Your website will be restored to the selected version. Keep in mind what gets restored and what might need attention. Page layouts, content, images, design themes, navigation, and SEO settings will be fully restored. However, third-party integrations or advanced custom code might need reconfiguration after the restoration.